Most people stop themselves from reaching their goals or their true calling in life. They just stop. Then they spend time trying to analyze why they stopped. They consult their friends, revisit their past. They build false beliefs in their heads to justify why they stopped. And sometimes, they even seek help from other people to help them justify why they stopped. Ever been here? Ever felt this way? Here's the simple solution. If you have stopped trying to reach for your goals, it's because you're not willing to do what is required to reach your desired result. You're not prepared to go outside of your comfort zone. It's really that simple. It's painful to swallow, but it's the truth. Knowing this gives you power. So, moving forward, don't let what you think you don't know, or don't know how to do, stop you from reaching your goals. Anything you want to know, you can learn how to do, just use Google and YouTube. Anything you can't learn, you can find someone who can do it for you. Anything you feel is stopping you, is simply a feeling that's trying to protect you, and get you to play it safe. When you truly realize this, and are willing to do what is required to get the result, you won't let your emotions, or what you think you don't know how to do, stop you anymore. You will find a way, because getting the result is important to you. This is how you get unstuck, and constantly make forward progress in your life and business. The only thing you should stop doing, is to stop limiting yourself. Want more videos like this one? Click the subscribe button below.